Hello dear friends, Windows 11 provides an option to shift installed Microsoft Store apps to a different drive. Hereby, you can move heavyweight programs to another drive. You can use this setting when the disk space is not enough in a local drive on your computer. You can also move the apps to an external drive. Let us see how to move installed Microsoft Store apps to another drive in Windows 11. Click on Start. Select Settings. Then click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Let the list of apps load. Find the Microsoft Store app that you want to move to another drive. Click on three dots icon for the app which you want to move and select Move. Here select the drive where you want to move. If an external hard drive is connected, this will be also shown in this list. Click on Move. Windows Copilot is moving. This is moved. The moving is completed. Note that this is available for some apps only. All apps have not move option. Thank you for watching the video, friends. Please subscribe the channel.